Good day everyone, welcome to Bombom's Bookplate channel. Today's video, how to create Ronin Wallet account. Let's start. Open the Play Store. Search Ronin Wallet. Click Install. Tap Open. Tap Next. Tap Continue. Select Create a new wallet. In this page, create 6-digit PIN for your account. Tap Continue. Retype your 6-digit PIN. Tap Continue. Just tap Next. Here, scroll up. Check the box. Then tap Next again. Click Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. Remember, never give this phrase to anyone as it will hand over control of your assets. Keep it private and protected. Scroll up and check the box. Tap Continue. On this page, select your seed phrase according to the number mentioned. Congratulations, your Ronin wallet has been created. Explore Ronin Wallet. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for good luck. Stay blessed, everyone.